Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Shabir Ansari is here. Please consider to subscribe my channel. Today we are visiting a complaint site where we have been found overflow at 3 points. Last one was the first point, and this is the second point where is overflow. Actually this road is under construction and it was dismantled to reconstruct. Sewage accumulated at this road in huge quantity. Actually, this road is not overflowing. The overflow at the other side, and the sewage is accumulating at this point. This is the street which is blocked and it's overflowing, and sewage of this street is accumulating at that road. This is also the part of second point where overflow has been observed. The last two manhole of these streets are overflowing very badly and creating mess at that road which I have been filmed before. This manhole is also full and overflowing. Let's see where is the blockage and where is the blocked portion. This manhole is also started overflowing. This manhole is also full. You can see that. Same as its previous. From this point, sewer line and street turned. It's the third street where overflow has been observed. It's accumulating here at also in huge quantity. It seems like it's immobilized. This street is also going to full with sewage. This manhole is also blocked very badly. Here we go. This is a point from where the street or sewer line is blocked and which is causing overflow in 3 points or 3 streets. Let's see what is the condition of next manhole. One person of staff is present next manhole to see the movement of sewer line. The water level of in this manhole is almost 5 feet down from the road level. So it is confirmed that this span is blocked and there is a blockage where we need unclogging. Due to this span or the sewer line all around the surroundings, overflow has been observed and it's creating mess everywhere. It's a stubborn sewer line. I don't think it will be unclogged with only with steel bar. If this
पढ़ गल
line
कि
did
नहीं
not unclog, this whole street will be full in sewage within next 2 or 3 hours because it's a morning time and as the consumption of water will increase, the street will be full with sewage. Now staff has been pulling out the steel bar because the rubbish has been stuck with the steel bar. Here we go. This blockage has been found in sewer line. It is removed from steel bar. Now staff is throwing it away from manhole so it didn't get back to the manhole. Staff didn't succeeded with the help of steel bar, so that is why we have been called jetting machine to unclog the sewer line as early as possible. Here we go, sewer line got functional from this point. Unclogging has been done and sewage from surroundings is going back to the manhole. Some floating materials are also going into the manhole. Level of sewage is decreasing gradually. You can see that.
ਸਾਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਜੰਮਦੇ ਦੀ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਗੱਡੇ ਚੱਲੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਉਹ ਅੱਖ ਕਰ ਰਿਕਾਰਡ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਬਣਾ ਰਿਹਾ
A satisfying unclogging has been completed. This is the point where sewage was accumulated. This point of road is in depression, so that is why the sewage cannot back enter into the manhole. Therefore, we are using suction machine to uplift this stagnant water to clear this road. Here we go. This is the first street which have been shown in start of the video. There was a huge accumulation of sewage. This is clear. It's totally clear. No sewage in this street right now. This is only the rubbish. There is no overflow right now. This water is there because some inhabitant is washing their yard and water is coming from there. This is the second street where overflow was everywhere. Now you can watch the street is clear. There is no more sewage overflowing. This was the point from where the sewer was overflowing and accumulating at the road. Now it's also working smoothly.
फर्क नहीं ना नजर आया अभी आगे फर्क है ऐसे अगे से फर्क है ऐसे आज फर्क नहीं
The
नजर आया
condition of this road is also better than before. There is also a little bit quantity of sewage at road. This is the water which cannot be uplift with suction machine. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching.